Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Mini Cooper with a key. First, locate the ignition slot, usually near the steering column. Insert your key fob fully into this slot until it clicks into place. Make sure your Mini is in park or neutral and firmly press the brake pedal. This ensures the vehicle is ready to safely begin its journey. Once you've located the slot, gently push your key fob all the way in. You should feel a distinct click, indicating it's properly seated. This crucial step activates your Mini Cooper's electrical systems, preparing it for ignition. Without this, the car won't recognize the key and won't start. If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more car tips. On another note, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your snacks and meals fresh on any adventure, whether you're driving or not. Find the product link and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. With the key fob securely in place and your foot on the brake, locate the Start/Stop button. Press and hold it for just a moment. You'll hear the engine crank and then roar to life. Once the engine is running smoothly, you can release the button and prepare for your drive. If your Mini doesn't start, don't panic. First, check your car battery. A weak battery is a common culprit. Also, ensure your steering wheel isn't locked, as this can prevent ignition. If all else fails, try using your spare key. Sometimes, the primary key's transponder can malfunction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.